जिंदगी में अगर तरक्की करनी है और पैसा कमाना है और बेतहाशा पैसा कमाना है तो दोस्तों इस वीडियो को लाजमी एंड तक देखिएगा ताकि आप अपनी जिंदगी बदलने के काबिल हो सकें।
Hey friends, welcome to New Business Ideas. Today we look in this video. Top 10 profitable woodworking business ideas. Woodworking and wooden carvings are the early age industry, and one of the fastest developing industries in any evolved and growing economy. Woodworking is relatively and smooth business to begin with small startup capital funding. If you could provoke the business at domestic, then the best funding aspects are a few hand tools and wooden as raw materials. Wood makes products that cater to a huge variety of gadgets. Broadly, it consists of furnishings, domestic decor, utility gadgets, and jewelry. However, you could want to have a few different items for adornment purposes. Any person can start this business on a part-time or full-time basis. Also, you can start promoting from your own home and additionally from crafts fairs. One also can sell on consignment from a nearby retail store, gift and furnishings shops, and online marketplaces. If you want to enter this industry, and not sure which one to start, here in this video we list a top 10 profitable low-cost woodworking business ideas. 1. Picture frames. Wooden picture frames are considered home accessories and gifts. Many families want to present their valuable works of art and photographs in unique decorative frames. The market for frames is always evergreen and always in demand. Wooden frames can be inexpensive and quite easy to make. The options are practically limitless in terms of colors, designs and finishes. You can sell direct to individuals or contract a frame store for higher profits and reorders. 2. Wooden jewelry making. Nowadays, wooden contemporary jewelry is one amongst the foremost popular fashion accessories. Wooden jewelry creating by exploitation technically upgraded machinery is one of the nice revenue generating ventures considering the low startup capital required. Choosing the correct wood, crafting design and shaping, finishing and fittings are the most important steps involved within the wooden jewelry making business. 3. Wooden furniture making. Wooden furniture is one of the oldest industries in India and is still considered profitable. Both types of furniture are in demand: ethnic and modern, bed, sofa set, wardrobe, dressing room, seating group, reading and round table. They are among the most popular wooden furniture. For centuries, wooden has been the preferred material for best furnishings because of its durability and beauty. In addition, there is a wide variety of furniture that you can sell. Small and flat packed items can be sold online and sent directly to your customers at inexpensively. 4. Wooden pencil manufacturing. A wood pencil is one item that has demand all round the year. From children to elders, everybody wants pencils for writing or the other reason. Stationery retailers, schools, little shops, and design shops could need wooden pencils. The trade is growing steady as arts, drawing, and writing. However, an honest network of distributors and retailers is important to create the business profitable. 5. Jewelry box. The wooden jewelry box is a traditional item in many countries. Their differing types of jewelry boxes are available in completely different sizes and patterns. Additionally, these boxes are terribly effective to keep the jewelry properly. The wooden jewelry box is a wide used product among ladies. It usually comes with attractive pattern work on the lid. This is a very popular product and this jewelry box business can be initiated with little capital investment. 6. Wooden interior. Wooden interior decorates the inner part of a room with wood and complementary wood products. Basically, wooden floors, walls, ceilings and other interior walls are very popular. In this segment, your woodworking can support both private customers and corporate customers. When you get into making indoor wood products, you need to work big enough to support both residential and commercial customers. 7. Wooden utensils. People use specific kinds of wooden kitchen utensils each day. And those gadgets are crucial household goods. Utensils made from wooden for eating, serving and cooking are large demand in year-round. They may be decorative and useful due to the fact wooden kitchen utensils is better than metal utensils and are longer lasting. You have to produce excellent quality kitchen utensils with an appealing look. This is a super beginner project on your woodworking business. Hardwood chopsticks are a specialty timber product idea. 8. Wooden toys. Unlike cheap, overseas made plastic toys that are mass marketed, wooden toys are safe, durable, and it is environmentally friendly produced. Several parents prefers wood toys for their kids. You can start making dolls, puppets, puzzles, chess, checkers games, trains and more.